So do you want to add some emojis, GIF, or a special symbol to your text on PC? Here's a quickest way to open hidden emoji keyboard in Windows 11. So click anywhere you wanted to type. For example, on this notepad right now, we have emoji here. So you need to press your Windows plus period. So if you don't know what is a period button, you can just click this one. All right, it's just above your control. So it's that Windows period, and there we go. Now you have the emoji, so you don't need to search like emoji just like this, right? Let's say you wanted to hit some fire. There you go, we have a fire. You can type fire, you will get fire. What about grumpy? There you go. Or tear of joy maybe. So this is how you can do that. You can just search whatever you want, you will get. And now for GIF, it won't support on all the websites and all the notepads like this one. It doesn't support, you can see that. But yeah, somewhere websites like Gemini, for example, you can insert GIF just like that, and you can send that as well once it's been uploaded. There we go. Let's see. There you go. Sending a big virtual high five back. All right. So the GIF work on Gemini basically. You can also use GIF on chats like Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp as well. And other than that, you also have some special characters here, like this one here. This is called ASCII Emotions. And for this, you need to search whatever you wanted to send it. For example, like this one. I don't know what is this. There are some crazy stuff here. This one is like a cute category. I don't know if this look cute or no. And you can also see from here, you can navigate all the stuff here. Happy, greeting, acting cute, and kind of good. And this one here is like punctuation correction, like Latin symbols, geometric. You can add them. All right, you can see that it's working. Even the math symbols if you want. I don't know how I can type this on my keyboard. And some special supplemental symbols and language symbol as well. It's like an alien check. So if this saves your time, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides just like this.